how do you know when you need to change up your fitness plan at the gym? Let's find out. Welcome, my name is Tony and I'm here to make the mysteries of fitness just a little less mysterious. This week's topic is about when we need to change up our fitness programs. This is often an overlooked and undervalued component to our fitness journeys. When should I change up my fitness program? Something I wish I knew growing up was the value of changing things up in the gym. When I first got started, I was blown away by the results I saw in the mirror and on the weight log sheet. But once I started hitting my plateau, I wasn't really sure where to go, and I really thought that if I spent more time in the gym, maybe I could see those results that I really came to expect from my workout program. All that did was it led to some injuries and a loss of drive. So I want to help you understand the warning signs of program fatigue and how to move forward from there. If we can make smart choices, we can stay healthy and continue to move forward, which is really the ultimate goal of health and fitness. I want to start off by looking at the reasons why the body reacts the way it does to exercise. Our body is constantly attempting to normalize the things we're doing to it. To better protect itself, you can even see it doing this with our diet, which is why we're storing fat just in case we ever have a time of emergency. It's also why our workout programs have an effective shelf life. I do want to put a disclaimer by saying some exercise is always better than no exercise. No matter how long you've stayed with that same program, it's really the truth unless it's starting to injure you. General adaptation syndrome describes how the body adapts to a new program. In the first 3 to 4 weeks, your body goes through an alarm phase where it knows you're doing something different and responds. You may notice that you get way more sore when you first start out on a new program, and that's because your body hasn't adapted to those movements just yet. After the alarm phase is the adaptation phase, which can last anywhere from 4 to 16 weeks. You'll find that your body is becoming more and more tolerant to the activities you're putting it through, and you're going to get less and less sore. Eventually, you'll hit an exhaustion phase where that workout stimulus no longer has any significant effect on your body. Circling back, we asked the question, should I change up my workout routine? I'll get back to the numbers we just laid out in a second. First, let's look at the physiological response to answer the question on should you change up your workout routine. So I need to ask you, simply, are you tired of your program? If the answer is yes, why keep beating a dead horse? Do something that you truly enjoy. You really can't possibly be putting in the effort it requires if you don't enjoy doing it. The odds of you sticking with it are low. I would recommend changing your program so you're getting what you need out of that program. Are you feeling pain? It doesn't need to be severe, but are you experiencing nagging pains that just won't go away? For example, I was attempting a bodybuilding program one time, and the program called for a lot more bench pressing than I was really used to. I started to notice pain on the right side of my pec. It was nagging. It never really seemed to get worse or better, but I realized the only difference from now and what I was doing before was my increased volume of the bench press. So I knew I needed to make a change. This is a great example of a time you may need to consider a program switch. Do you feel like you're spending way too much time at the gym? This one goes back to the physiological response to exercise. If you don't enjoy your time at the gym, you can't expect to get the results which you're really looking for, and that'll end up making you more upset. We have to get to work on getting you into a program that you really don't mind doing and doing day in and day out. Starting to get a clearer picture here, but you still don't feel like the questions I'm raising really warrant a workout routine change. Let's try this one on. Are you seeing results? Now, everyone has different goals at the gym, so it could be looking for strength goals, weight loss goals, muscle size goals. Are you stuck? Is that initial gym surge slowing down or altogether stopped? It may be time to stop before you do get frustrated and fall into any of the other reasons I listed above on why you should change a workout program. There is a fear when you change programs that you won't at least maintain the successes you've already seen. I know that was my biggest problem years ago when I first started changing over into a new workout program. That's okay though. You're going to be amazed by your successes with a new program. You may even notice that after you take time and switch away from your program for a few weeks, if you go back to your old program, you get some of those old gains back since your body isn't acclimated to that stimulus anymore. I know it's cliche, but never let the fear of change stop you from your progress. This is the only way you'll learn about new things with your body, and it'll help progress you along your fitness journey. So let's say you determined you need to change your workout program, but you don't know what to do. There are some obvious things like reaching out to a trainer or joining a small group fitness class that you've always maybe wanted to try. You can also even do something simple like changing the order of the workouts that you're doing in your own workout plan. You can start messing with those rep ranges and weights. If you run for a long time, and long distances, maybe try mixing in some sprint days. There are just endless number of ways to adjust your workouts to get something new out of it. You guys can always reach out to me as well if you need any help in this area. I have my email in the description below. If you're someone who's in that sweet spot or has trouble identifying if you fall into any of those categories I listed above, suggesting you try a new program, let's try this rule of thumb to help you out. There are 52 weeks in a year and 4 seasons. Each season is roughly 13 weeks. So if you're changing your program with the season or change your workout goal each season, you can ensure you're not staying too far beyond your usefulness in that program. I hope this video helped clear up some of the questions you had surrounding how long you should stay with a workout program. If you found out you needed to change your workout split, comment below. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos weekly. Until next week, thank you guys.